At the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre, our aim is to help you create better quality, sustainable homes. So if you're at the early stage of a new build or significant renovation project, and you know you're going to be fully committed and highly engaged throughout the various stages of that project, we've created a brand new enhanced offering just for you.
Benchmark is a new and exclusive membership offering a wide range of benefits, including a personal shopping experience, 4 90-minute consultations with our experts on our help desk, 30% off of all of our educational courses, exclusive online workshops and a live event, free financial health check with BuildStore, and VIP access to our shows.
So Benchmark, it's a brand new enhanced offering designed specifically for people who are at the early stages of a significant project. I've been at the NSBRC since 2008, and I've spoken to lots of visitors both here at the centre and online during our recent online surgeries. And I've realised that for some people, they want to really throw themselves deep into a project, but might be looking for some additional support from people who they can trust. And here at the centre, we're all about providing impartial, independent advice. So we've created Benchmark, this brand new membership offering with a range of benefits to help you do just that.
If you'd like to sign up or to find out more, contact me at benchmark@nsbrc.co.uk.